Hi, I'm making a really simple cake today that anyone can make. It's my easiest ever coconut cake using ingredients right from my pantry here at home. You can be eating this in just 20 minutes or so. It's that quick, and it's quick because it's a tray bake style of cake, not a deep cake. I'll show you how. Into a bowl, I've got a cup of flour. I'm using plain flour, and I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You could just leave out the baking powder and using a cup of self-raising flour. I've got half a cup of sugar, straight into the bowl, normal white sugar. I've got a cup of coconut. You can use a mix of desiccated or shredded if you like. And I've got 125 grams of melted butter. If you only have marge, this works well too. Super easy. We'll give it a quick stir around. I've got 2 standard sized eggs, just give you half a cup of milk and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Stir that around, and then we're going to add that in to our other ingredients. So that's all mixed around, super easy. I've got a 20 centimetre square tin here, just lightly sprayed with grease. We'll pour it straight in. So here's the finished cake straight out the oven. I like eating it straight from the oven while it's warm, don't even need to ice. If you do want to ice, quick one, just with some icing sugar, a little bit of butter and some water. I'm going to drizzle over and sprinkle with some coconut.